This is J.D. Zarlino, your car guy. And between my legs here is a brand new baby deer. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. But I was on my way home from work, and he or she was in the middle of the road. So I got him a little bit of milk. Here you go, buddy. Oh, you want some milk? Careful, there's a step right there. Careful. Whoops. There he goes. You want some milk? Here you go. You want some milk? Come here, come here, come here. It's okay. You want some milk? Here, look. I know you gotta be hungry. I know you gotta be hungry. Here you go. Milk? No? You're just looking for mama. I bet you're just looking for mama, aren't you? I thought that was kind of weird, that a little baby would be in the middle of the road. Where's mama at? All right, I'm going to stop this video right now. I know you're not going to go very far. So I'll see you later, okay? I'll see if I can go find mama. Ooh, don't go in there, you get a boo-boo. All right. Again, this is J.D. Zarlino at yahoo.com, signing off. And we have a company here in Bedford, Ohio now, at 611 Broadway Avenue. It's called Bedford Auto Repair, 611 Broadway Avenue, Bedford, Ohio, 44146. So we like to hashtag things on videos now. That's the new way to promote things. And the one that I started about 5 or 6 years ago was Flags Across America. So if you can hashtag this, Flags Across America, that would be great. And if you ever need anything done to your automobile, come on down and we'll see if we can help you. 611 Broadway Avenue. That phone number is 440-252-5560. And tomorrow's Memorial Day to all you veterans out there. I just want to give you all a shout out, and I know that all gave some and some gave all.